Because we're a full service firm, we can be doing, we will be doing on only one day, fund formation or private wealth structuring for, hugely rich, ultra high net worth people, right the way through to multi-billion, pound refinancings if you're involved with Clifford Chance and other firms like that.
It's absolutely critical to have someone like Jason, the managing partner, who's championing KM at the firm. Collas Crill have this consistent, centralised framework, where they can curate and submit and carefully manage their know-how and also audit it. And you add to that mix, the ability to search external resources. You have a very powerful application there. Lisa Upham, obviously, who's the head of their knowledge management, has a tightly curated set of precedents and other internal know-how. And how do you actually raise the visibility of that, to ensure your fee owners are really using it?
It's really good. I mean, by way of example, we had a trainee start who I was responsible for earlier this year, and she was doing something she'd never done before. It was a statutory demand in an insolvency space, and it was quite simple. So she put it into what we call Pink Link, our search tool that picks up both authorities and our homegrown precedents, and put statutory demand in there. What popped up was a Word document with the fields that she just went and filled in from the papers in front of her. It took me all of about 3 units to then just go and check things off and make sure it was all okay, and went out the door and it was perfect.
Firms are under pressure to honour alternative fee arrangements. You've got GCs and other clients being very demanding. So how do you actually deliver work more efficiently? How do you become more productive?
If you're making things more efficient just by looking at something as simple as a search engine, if you're doing the same search 20 times for 20 different resources and you cut that down to one search, you plug it in once, you don't have to plug in all your passwords, that's surely going to take less time. By taking less time, you'll be more efficient. Even though we've been around for hundreds of years, I think we're quite a young feeling firm, if that makes sense.
People coming into the law now, 20, 25, 30, have just grown up with technology, so they expect the technology that they have at their workstation to be as good, if not better, than the technology that they have at home. And they expect to be able to use a whole range of devices, apps, technology sources that, quite honestly, I feel a bit old saying it now, but I would never have expected to be able to use.
From the Solcara point of view, it's very much a consultancy, and we've got them coming over next week to do some training for our IT guys. So it's an ongoing process as well, and the relationship's just getting probably closer. So I can literally pick up the phone to them and say, I need this done, or how can we do that, and they'll help.
Solcara know-how can deliver an effective KM solution that aligns with the firm's KM strategy and search strategy. And you don't have to have a magic circle budget to achieve that.